people. Finding physical benefits to the traditional pipe ceremony in today's culture would be difficult. However, in history it is believed that horrible things would happen to anybody using deception during such a ritual. The pipe smoking ritual may give a sense of community or belonging as an emotional benefit. The Native American belief in the ceremony itself created a sort of calm or peace of mind for its people. These ceremonies are not as widespread as some of the previous rituals discussed, however, still practiced in many Native American populated areas. A rather new monotheistic religious ideal worshipping Jah is as the Rastafarian movement. This is more of a rejection of the traditions of Western societies. It is believed to have first emerged in Jamaica in the 20th century. Rastafarian people do not worship in churches or temples. The practice for which they are commonly known is the smoking of cannabis or ganja during Bible study. They believed this is a sacrament that cleanses the body and mind. Rastafari people are also easily identifiable by the wearing of dreadlocks in their hair. They consider this a sign of wisdom, knowledge, and maturity. The length of the dreads signifies age or the time spent as a practicing Rasta. True Rastafarian people practice vegan diets. This could be considered similar to that of the Jains. They also believe in abstaining from the use of alcohol. It is considered fermented chemicals not belonging inside the temple of the body. Another very important part of Rastafarian culture is its music, reggae. It was made famous and popular by a practicing Rastafarian, Bob Marley. He may also be credited for popularizing the Rastafarian movement itself. Though the physical benefits from practicing this tradition are probably not as vast, those practicing the vegan or vegetarian diets were proven to have lower cancer risk, lower incidence of ischemic heart disease, and other diseases. As stated previously, alcohol is also avoided as it is thought of as a chemical not to be ingested into the body. Although no facts are found as to the benefit of this, we know that abstaining from alcohol can be beneficial to one's overall health as well. Controversially, the people of this tradition believe the smoking of the ganja cleanses the body and the mind and heals the soul, facilitates peacefulness, brings pleasure, and brings them closer to Jah. Ganja is believed to be a powerful substance that opens people's minds to the truth, but is illegal in most populations. The Rastafarian people believe this is a part of their persecution being reality. No evidence was found among the Rastafarian practitioners for actual physical benefits to smoking ganja. However, many other studies have found medicinal marijuana to be helpful in aiding cancer patients. Returning to a more mainstream religious practice or tradition, martial arts of all types are widespread in today's culture. Martial arts are linked to religious practices such as Taoism, Buddhism, Confucianism, and Hinduism, to name a few. They are thought of as codes or systems practiced mainly in training for combat and to be able to defend oneself physically. Moves such as striking or grappling are used in most martial arts traditions. Striking is used of one's hands or feet to inflict bodily injury on the opponent, while grappling is gripping, handling, or controlling one's opponent without use of striking. Karate, Kung Fu, Judo, Taekwondo, and kickboxing all use these techniques in their practices. Martial arts practices allow for added physical strength and endurance. These rituals also are proven to increase flexibility, improve balance, and promote a stronger immune system. This is according to the British Journal of Sports Medicine. They are also proven to promote mental focus as reported earlier by Consumer Reports on Health. One last ritual to be discussed is the ideology of prayer or faith healing. It is a practice in which the followers believe in using prayer, mental practices, or spiritual insights to prevent illness, cure disease, or improve health. Different religions have been known to practice similar ideologies such as Catholicism, Islam, and Pentecostalism, each of these having varied traditions and practices where prayer healing is involved. It is of note these practices have been extremely controversial in today's society. Adverse health concerns and even death have been cited as consequences for believers that delay or do not seek necessary medical care for the ill. 30 states in the United States have child abuse religions exception laws in place. Wisconsin is not included. Finding physical or emotional benefits to faith healing was close to impossible. There were more studies and cases on the adverse effects than of the benefits. However, surely the people following these beliefs hold them in high regard, though scientific proof is yet to be determined. Although some of these practices examined may be more popular than others, it gives us a clear idea of religious versatility, longevity, and healthfulness. As evidence suggests, the majority of religious beliefs and rituals do in fact promote certain health benefits and individual emotional well-being. There is no one belief or practice that is going to work for every individual. However, the longevity and popularity of yoga alone emphasizes religion's health promotion in general. No matter what each of our personal religious beliefs or philosophies hold, we tend to continue to practice them because we believe they are benefiting our body or our mind in some manner. So no matter if one is practicing ancient religious rituals or new wave religious ideals, both hold tremendous physical and emotional health benefit for one's body, mind, and spirit.